welcome to the series 3 of this month's session, right? Today, most people ask about dual investment and how they can do it on Binance, right? One good thing is that yes, Binance added it and you can actually try it out, right? As you may know, dual investment allows you to buy any coin at a low price, at a price that you determine, or sell any coin at a high price that you also determine on your own, right? So it means Bitcoin is currently at $20,280, right? I can decide to say I want to buy Bitcoin at my own price, let's say at $15,000 by tomorrow. As you can also say, Bitcoin is around 20,280, for example, and you are holding one Bitcoin. You can decide to say you want to sell your Bitcoin at $30,000 by tomorrow. So what this means is that dual investment enables you to buy any coin at a low price that you determine on your own, or sell any coin at a high price that you determine on your own, right? So how do you do this on Binance? All you need to do is click on N, right? As I told you before, if you have not done your KYC, please do your KYC and try this out. It is very important that you try this out so that you'll be entered into the list of people that will win the NFT, right? So let's get restarted. So all I need to do is to click on N, right? So dual investment is the Binance N feature, right? So take a look at the top right corner. You will see dual investment. Click on it. Okay, you will see that there are many assets that you can buy and sell on dual investment. You can buy and sell Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB. In fact, there are a lot of coins that you can buy and sell here, right? Let's say, for example, I want to buy and sell BNB, right? There are two types of sell. You can sell high, you can buy low. So you can sell high, you can buy low. These are the two types of trading options available. So you can decide to sell your BNB at a high price. You can also decide to buy BNB using the USDT you already have, or using the BUSD that you already have, right? So let's tell you about sell high. All you need to do is click on subscribe, right? Then you determine which date do you want to sell this your BNB at a high price that you want to determine. This is where target price and cutoff time is. So the cutoff time is the date that you want to sell this your BNB. Then the target price is that amount that you want to sell that your BNB on the day of that cutoff time, right? Which price do you want to sell it? Let's say, for example, I can say my cutoff time is in 2 days time, in 2nd July, right? And my target price is 250. What that means is that on 2nd of July, I plan to sell my BNB at 240. As simple as that, right? So let's try this. Remember to always use a reasonable cutoff time and a reasonable target price. So let's say, for example, I'm selecting this, the first option. So the first option, I chose it because I'm saying that on 1st of July, right, I want to sell my BNB at $230, right? That is what I'm saying here. That on 1st of July, that I want to sell my BNB, the BNB that I'm already holding at $230, right? Let's say, for example, I have 10 BNB, for example. I have 10 BNB. I will put in that 10 BNB here. I will type how many BNB that I have, right? 10 BNB, right? then what happens? So look at what it is saying here. Take a look at this place. It's telling you that if on that 1st of July, if BNB was able to get to at least $230, that you will get 2,324 BUSD, right? But if BNB did not get to $230, that you will still receive your 10 BNB back, and still earn extra 0.1 BNB by 1st of July. Right? You see how amazing it is. So just by saying that you want to sell and you could not sell, they will still give you additional 0.1 BNB. That's what they are telling you. Right? But again, what is the risk involved in this? The risk involved is that, let's say, for example, on that 1st of July, remember we said we want to sell our BNB or at $230 on 1st of July, right? Imagine if on 1st of July, BNB pumps to, let's say, $300. I'm telling you about the risk involved though, because I always like, when I'm telling you about the profits and gains, I also want to tell you about the loss and the risk involved in some of this. Let's say, for example, on that 1st of July, the BNB pumped to 230 and even pumped to $300. You will see that it has made you to sell your BNB at a very low price. You sold your BNB at $230 while BNB has pumped to $300. You sold too early. That is the risk, right? So whenever you are doing this, you should always bear the risk involved in mind. It is very, very important, right? But if it did not, maybe it got to that $230 by maybe $231 or so, or it did not even get up to $230. Imagine that you will earn extra $0.1. You will earn extra $100 or more just within 2 days of trying out this dual investment, right? That is awesome, right? So all you need to do is as soon as you finish reviewing this and you're okay with that, you accept the terms and conditions after reading it, right? And you click on confirm. You see how easy it is. It has enabled you to determine how much you want to sell your BNB and at what date. What of if we have, let's say for example, we have USDT already. We have USDT already, right? And we want to buy BNB at a very low price. We can also do the same thing that we did for sell high. So all we need to do is click on subscribe. When you click on subscribe, right, you can choose a cutoff time and target price. Let's say, for example, the first option is telling us that on 1st of July, that we want to buy BNB at a low price of 225. The second option is telling you that on 1st of July, that we want to buy BNB at a low price of 220. Let me choose the first one, for example, right? I already have some USDT. Let's say, for example, I have $1,000 that I want to use to buy BNB at a low price, right? I will input the $1,000 here. Look at what happens here. Remember to always scroll down to this place and see what is happening. Remember, I put in $1,000. I said I want to use it to buy BNB. They are telling you that if by that 1st of July, this is the 1st of July, right? So I'm explaining this. If by that 1st of July, if BNB gets to at least that 225, that is our target price, that we will get back our $1,000, right? If BNB is above 225, that will get back our $1,000 and they will give us additional $10, right? But if BNB did not get to, or maybe it just got to $225, right, that will get 4.49 BNB, right? So it means we'll be able to buy that BNB with our USDT, and we'll get a total of 4.4911. That's tell you that we earn additional 0.01 or so BNB. That is great. But again, there is a risk involved though. Again, imagine if the market is falling and it falls to that $25, that $225 that we want to buy BNB at. It falls to that place, you will see that our order will be executed. So imagine if it keeps falling, then it gets to, let's say, it gets to 225, it gets to 200, it gets to 150. You will see the risk involved now. You will see that this dual investment has made you to buy this BNB at a high price. Had it been you did not subscribe, by that time it is at $100, you will just buy. But since you use dual investment, you will see that you have been forced to buy at $225. So these are some of the risks involved and all that, right? This is the end of it. Try it out, right? Try it out and let me know what you think at the Telegram group. If you encounter any challenge, let me know. And remember, fill in the form as well as soon as you finish trying this, so that you can be entered into the list of people that will earn our NFT that has a floor price of at least $200 today. Thank you so much.